Hey there, and welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is a new design model for 2025 model year. It's been a tried and true family favorite for us, and we're excited to have this new iteration here in stock at our Lake Norman store. This boat is in the quantum blue hull with the black bottom. Also paired it with the black water sports tower up top. It's an amazing boat to get you and your family out on the water in style. Let's climb aboard and check it out. The SDX series is the modern continuation of Sea Ray's tried and true Sundeck series. It's immediately apparent when you climb aboard the boat. This is designed for family first, for entertainment, and has a great layout to support that. Starting back here at the transom, you got a couple notable options. You've got a flip down in-water swim seat right here at the back of your swim platform, right next to your reboarding ladder. This boat's also got a couple nice options back here, including a transom shower. Comes included with your water system. It's got a stereo remote as well, and USB and USB-C charging under that flap right there. Coming over to this side past the sun pad, first thing you're gonna notice is that we've got a walk-through storage section here. This does drain into your bilge, so you can put dock lines and things like that in here. Also equip this boat with the block-off door. It's a nice option to keep kids and pets in the boat. Coming further forward into the boat, through this walkthrough, you see we've done the luxury snap-in flooring in here. It's great, it's removable, so you can take it out and clean it very easily. Another notable feature before we go deeper into the boat is you do have a movable backrest on the SDX series. So you'll flip that up. Allows you to adjust your platform back there for lounging. Got the teak tables installed right now. Got one here and one up at the bow. Both stow with a dedicated spot under your port side console. Got a lot of entertainment space here. This seat right next to me flips forward, as does your driver's seat, so you can really maximize the entertainment zone. Additionally, we've got dedicated cooler storage up under here, so it's a drained setup. Great spot to put some items. Also can use it as a cooler. Got plenty of cup holders throughout here, and you have wireless chargers, both port and starboard, for your passengers. Coming further forward in the boat, I mentioned both of these seats do go forward and aft. Both also have flip-up bolsters, so you can really customize your setup here. Up at the helm, you've got another wireless phone charger next to your Mercury digital throttle and shift. It's a very well-positioned throttle here on this boat. It does come standard with Mercury active trim. You've got twin Simrad NSX screens on this boat as well. It's going to have your auto route function, great place to control your navigation, your stereo, things like that. Also equipped this one with the Lenco trim tab system, which can be controlled over here on the right side. Over on your port side here is your main stereo head. Like I mentioned, you can control this through your screens and the remote at the transom, but it's your main setup here. Great for your passengers to get your music set up for the day. Right above that, you've got a nice little glove box in here with a USB port. Good place to store your phone and some items like that. One of the hallmark features on the new generation SDX series boat is this offset walkthrough with a very large head compartment down here. It's a two-piece door. You can slide it open like that. See, we've got our bow filler pushed in there right now over your head, but you've got great cushioning in there. Young kids can hang out. It's also a great storage spot as well. It's complemented well with a sink and of course your head compartment, and very usable functional space. Coming through your windshield here, we do also have a block-off door. So on those colder mornings, you can close this up in partnership with your windshield. You get just a little bit more isolation back there in the cockpit. Again, mentioned earlier, we have both tables installed right now. This one is on a leaf system, so it folds up. You can kind of use it to your preference. Lots of space and lots of storage up here as well. Under this front seat, you got another cooler. Under the seat that I'm sitting on and the one opposing it, there's plenty of storage space. Got speakers up here, of course. You've got USB chargers, plenty of cup holders. This is also a well-lit zone here, so you have your RGB lighting in this zone and throughout the rest of the boat. Last but not least, up here at the bow, a couple features I want to point out for you. You've got a dedicated anchor storage compartment here with your bow boarding ladder. Something unique about the SDX series is you can use both the bow boarding ladder and the anchor at the same time. It's a great way to set that up here. Closes nice and easily under this hatch. Also, with your water systems bundle, this boat has a sprayer here to hose off your anchor when you pull it up. Wrapping up here under our black powder coated water sports tower, something unique on the SDX series is these are optional with electric folding. This one is equipped that way so it kneels down to get under bridges and things like that. Of course, we've also got the integrated bimini, which is in the boot right here. Gives you plenty of sun coverage on this boat. If you like this boat and want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, give us a call or check us out at MarineMax.com. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.